We're here in Collegetown Center at 151 Dryden Road. Let's take a look at studio apartment 215. Let's head on in. This is an odd number studio apartment. We're in the north rectangle style, and the kitchen will be on the right as we enter. So you can see there's the refrigerator, the dishwasher is under the sink, there's a sprayer, there's the microwave, assorted cabinets and drawers here in the kitchen, and your stove oven at the end of the kitchen. Across from us will be the bathroom. Let's take a look in there. The bathrooms are always the same setup here in Collegetown Center, so we'll have that tub shower with the sliding door, we'll have the vanity with the sink, the toilet, and the cabinet there on the wall, and there are towel racks, there is a light over the mirror, and a fan above. As we go into the apartment, we'll take a look at the closet. We have nice closet space here in Collegetown Center, so we've got a rack above the hanging, and just good space in here. Let's go and see the rest of the apartment. We'll always have the same furnishing items here in the apartments. You can see the dresser on our right, the full-size bed, there's a dining table and chair, the desk and chair, and the tall bookshelf we've got placed over here today. You want to take a look at some more videos on the YouTube channel just to get an idea of some different ways to arrange furniture in the apartment, so you can get some ideas for how you would like to set up your own apartment when you move in. Here, let's go over to the window. We're on the north side, which is the Dryden Road street side of the building. We're on the second floor of this 6th floor building. So we're gonna have the best people watching here on the second floor. Over to our left, we've got a little bit more of an open view. You can see Collegetown Plaza is that tall red building on the left. And towards the right, that is looking to the, towards the corner, the intersection is College Ave and Dryden Road, the center of Collegetown. From there, of course, we are just 1 block from campus. So here's a look at a studio apartment. We're in Collegetown Center. This is a rectangle style studio. You can see the air conditioner under the window. The window opens. There's a mini blind on the window, but it's up so we can see out. You can see the heater over here on the wall. It's important to not block your heater panel so your heat can be distributed evenly throughout the apartment in the winter months. The furnishings all come with the apartment, and you can certainly move them around wherever you like. Collegetown Center, 151 Dryden Road, and we're located just 1 block from campus.